Next thing is to implement the iProduct repository interface. So inside the repository folder, we will add a new class. We will call this as product repository. And this will implement the iProduct repository. Here we'll hover on the squiggly line, show potential fixes, and we will implement all the methods of the interface. Now here we will have to toggle database. So for that we need to get the application DB context using dependency injection. So we'll say application DB context underscore DB, and then we will also need auto mapper, because you can see we are getting the object of product DTO. We will have to convert that to product, and then we will have to toggle the database. So here we will also get a private iMapper, and I'll call this as underscore mapper. We need to retrieve things using dependency injection. So CTOR for constructor. In there we'll get the application DB context as DB and iMapper as mapper. We'll say underscore DB is equal to DB and underscore mapper is equal to mapper. So we get the implementation that we have inside the startup class file. We will get that implementation, assign those to our local variables here, and we'll use them inside our methods. It's good to start simple. So let's first do the get products. We just need to retrieve all of the products, convert them to product DTO, and return back. So we'll say IEnumerable of product, and we'll retrieve all of the products from database. So we'll say await underscore db dot products dot, we'll convert them to a list. So we'll use toList async. We need to add the async keyword here, and we have to give this a name. So we'll call this product list. We can just have a list of products here. That should also work. Now we need to convert this to product DTO and return back. Because this is a type of product, we need to return an IEnumerable of product DTO. So we'll have the return statement, and using AutoMapper, we will map this to a list of DTO, to a list of product DTO. And within here, we have to pass the product list. So that will convert the product list to a product DTO, and it will return back. This looks good, and all the error went away. Next thing that we have to do is we need to retrieve a single product based on the ID. So we can just copy this, paste it here. This time we have to convert that to only a single product, and rather than product list, it will be a single product here. In order to retrieve that, rather than toList or async, we will be using a where clause, and we'll say where x goes to x.productID is equal to product ID that we receive in the parameters. Even though this will retrieve only one product, we will have to use first.default because we only have a single product here. The method here, we need async keyword, and then when we are using await, we will be using first.default async. Perfect. So with that, the error goes away. In the next video, let's complete the implementation for deleting a product and creating or updating a product.